In this video, I will show you how to use formula and functions in Google Sheets. To get started, open the Google Sheet app and click on the file you want to work on. One way to use a formula is to select the cell where you want to add it and type an equal sign. Type in the function you want to use. Google Sheet may recommend suggested formulas and ranges based on your data. Let's start with sum, which returns the sum of a series of numbers and/or cells. Select the cells you want to get the sum, then press Enter. You can also view the complete list of functions by clicking the function symbol at the top. There's a lot of available functions, so for this video, we'll do 5. We already did sum. Now let's do average, which returns the numerical average value in a dataset. Type in the equal sign, then average, then select the cells you want to get an average. Now let's get count, which returns the number of numeric values in a dataset. Click the functions icon at the top and select count. Now, select the cells you want to include in the count. Please note that the average and count functions ignore text values. Let's get the minimum value in a numeric dataset. Click the functions icon at the top and select min. Highlight the data you want to include. Lastly, let's get the maximum value in a numeric dataset. Type in the equal sign, type max, open parenthesis, then highlight the cells you want to include. Both min and max will return an error when there's a text value in any of the cells. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below.